अभी हम क्वेश्चन 11 देखेंगे। हु इंट्रोड्यूस द मेथड ऑफ सोमेटेड रेटिंग्स इन 1932। मेथड ऑफ सोमेटेड रेटिंग्स 1932 में किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था? उसका आंसर है लिकर्ट एंड रेंसिस। लिकर्ट रेंसिस इंट्रोड्यूस द मेथड ऑफ सोमेटेड रेटिंग्स also known as the Likert scale in 1932. The Likert scale is a psychometric scale often used in क्वेश्चनर्स। जब क्वेश्चन करते हैं वो यूज होता है लिकर्ट स्केल एंड इज़ द मोस्ट वाइडली यूज स्केल इन सर्वे रिसर्च। सर्वे रिसर्च में हमारा लिकर्ट स्केल यूज होता है। रिसर्च डिफरेंट टाइप का होता है, तो सर्वे रिसर्च में क्या यूज होता है? लिकर्ट स्केल। रेस्पोंडेंट्स स्पेसिफाई देयर level of agreement or disagreement on a systematic agree disagree scale for a series of statements. This allows the capture of the intensity of their feelings for a given time, thereby creating a tool for fine-grained analysis of attitudes or perceptions. Then second question is private speech leads to self-regulated behavior. Private speech leads to self-regulated behavior. Which psychologist viewed this strongly? आंसर है लेव वाइगोस्की। हम वाइगोस्की के बारे में बहुत सारे बार सुन चुके हैं ना। The idea that private speech leads to self-regulated behavior is strongly associated with Lev Vygotsky, a Russian psychologist known for his work in cognitive development. Vygotsky को हम कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट के से लिंक करते हैं ना, वो उनके बारे में ज़्यादा बोले हैं। तो Vygotsky's theories emphasize fundamental role of social interaction in the development of cognition. He believed that private speech, the practice of speaking to oneself, is an essential tool in children's through processes of cognitive development. It helps children control their behavior and think through problems and tasks. Next question है 13. NCT was established for which of the following objectives? NCT किस वजह से एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था? आंसर है हमारा डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन सिस्टम। एनसीटी का फुल फॉर्म ही है द नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन। तो एनसीटी वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड with the objective of achieving planned and coordinated development of the teacher education system throughout the country. NCT aims to regulate and properly maintain the norms and standards in the teacher education system and provide guidance regarding innovative practices and new concepts in teacher education. The ultimate goal is to ensure quality and competent teachers are prepared to enhance the एजुकेशन सिस्टम। तो एनसीटी क्या करता है? टाइम टू टाइम टीचर्स को टीचर एजुकेशन देता है फ्यूचर के लिए। 14 क्वेश्चन है इंक्वायरी ट्रेनिंग मॉडल वाज गिवन बाय। इंक्वायरी ट्रेनिंग मॉडल किसने दिया था? आंसर है रिचर्ड सचमैन। तो इंक्वायरी ट्रेनिंग मॉडल वाज गिवन बाय रिचर्ड सचमैन। दिस मॉडल इज एन अप्रोच टू लर्निंग। The inquiry training model was given by Richard Schwarzman. This model is an approach to learning that emphasizes the student's ability to pose questions, hypotheses, and explanation and to test them against reality. Schwarzman designed this model to teach students the inquiry processes directly, helping them learn how to ask the right questions, how to set up a problem, and how to arrive at logical conclusions. It is heavily focused on the scientific inquiry and critical thinking skills. Next question है which one of the following is true about reflective teaching? Reflective teaching के बारे में क्या true है? आंसर दिया गया है साइक्लिक प्रोसेस ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट टीचिंग। ठीक है, तो एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। Reflective teaching is a cyclic process of thinking about teaching, evaluation, and effectiveness and making changes accordingly. It involves teachers critically analyzing their own teaching practices in an effort to improve. This can involve evaluating lesson planning, instructional techniques, classroom management, and interactions with students. Reflective teaching encourages teachers to continuously evolve their teaching methods and style for the betterment of their students' learning experiences. Next question है हमारा, according to NCFT 2009 which of the following is not recommended for teacher education? टीचर एजुकेशन के लिए कौन सा रिकमेंडेड नहीं किया गया था? आंसर है टू क्रिटिकली एग्जामिन स्कूल करिकुलम सिलेबी एंड टेक्स्ट बुक। सेकेंड है टू हेल्प prospective teachers to engage with field experiences for construction of knowledge. Third है to teach learners only through theories to understand psychosocial attributes. Fourth है to help teachers in developing consciousness and finer human responsibilities through self reflection. आंसर दिया गया है नॉट रिकमेंडेड बोला गया है ना, तो नॉट रिकमेंडेड में से आंसर क्या होगा? टीच लर्नर्स ओनली थ्रू थ्योरीज टू अंडरस्टैंड साइकोसोशियो एट्रीब्यूट्स, ये रिकमेंड नहीं किया गया था। द नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क फॉर टीचर एजुकेशन, जो कि NCFT शॉर्ट में बोलते हैं, 2009 डज नॉट रिकमेंड टीचिंग लर्नर्स ओनली थ्रू थ्योरीज टू अंडरस्टैंड साइकोसोशियो एट्रीब्यूट्स. इट इंस्टेड emphasizes practical application and experimental learnings. ठीक है, the framework is designed to prepare teachers for the realities of the classroom and the diverse needs of students. It highlights the need for teachers to connect theoretical understanding from the curriculum with the lived experiences of learners. ठीक है, अभी देखेंगे हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए करिकुलम अप्रोच? कौन सा है करिकुलम अप्रोच नहीं है? बिहेवियरल अप्रोच, मैनेजरियल अप्रोच, रिकॉन्सेप्चुअलिस्ट अप्रोच एंड लिटरेचर अप्रोच। लिटरेचर अप्रोच नहीं है हमारा करिकुलम अप्रोच। ठीक है, उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं हम। चलो, a literature approach is not a recognized approach in curriculum development. The other options, behavioral, managerial, and reconceptualist, are well established approaches. The behavioral approach focuses on clearly defined objectives that can be measured. The managerial approach emphasizes efficient administration of the curriculum to achieve the goals. The reconceptualist approach is a critique and extension of the other approaches, focusing on broader educational experiences beyond just achieving set objectives. ठीक है, अभी देखेंगे 18 क्वेश्चन। 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द नॉन टेक्निकल नॉन साइंटिफिक अप्रोच फ्लेक्सिबल जो है, द प्रोसेस ऑफ करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट इज ह्यूरिस्टिक। आंसर होगा ह्यूरिस्टिक, हाईली ऑब्जेक्टिव, यूनिवर्सल, लॉजिकल, ह्यूरिस्टिक दिया गया, तो आंसर होगा ह्यूरिस्टिक। कैसे देखते हैं, द नॉन टेक्निकल नॉन साइंटिफिक अप्रोच टू करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट इज ह्यूरिस्टिक इन नेचर। ठीक है, नॉन टेक्निकल और नॉन साइंटिफिक ह्यूरिस्टिक नेचर है। इट इज़ मोर फ्लेक्सिबल and open-ended, allowing for creativity and adaptation to specific context. Unlike technical scientific approaches, which often involve strict standards and predetermined outcomes, the non-technical, non-scientific approach views curriculum development as an evolving, context-sensitive process that depends on the particular needs and experiences of the students and teachers. अभी 19 क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। Which of the following is not a suitable option where curriculum is viewed as non-technical, non-scientific approach? Answer होगा curriculum is viewed as the delivery of mapped out content and experiences. Explanation है इसका, when curriculum is viewed as a non-technical, non-scientific approach, it is not seen as the delivery of mapped out content and experiences. Rather, the curriculum is considered as a dynamic process that changes and evolves in response to the needs and experiences of students. It's more fluid and flexible, allowing for adaptation and creativity. In this approach, curriculum is seen as emergent, interactive, and a product of ongoing conversion and activity rather than a fixed set of content to be delivered. ठीक है, अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन इस वीडियो का देखेंगे। करिकुलम डिजाइन conceptualizes the curriculum and arranges its major components as objectives, content, learning experiences and evaluation. Explanation देखते हैं, curriculum design conceptualizes the curriculum and arranges its major components and objectives, content, learning experiences and evaluation Objectives refer to the desired outcomes or goals of instruction. Content is the subject matter or information to be learned. Learning experiences are the means through which learning will take place. Evaluation is the method used to assess where, where whether the objectives have been met. This is a fundamental model in curriculum design and provides a clear framework for the instructional process. 21 से नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में देखेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.